This time, let's see if we can figure out how to create a new sprite. It really isn't that challenging, but if you haven't done it before, this can be a nice way to learn how to do that. We're going to need a new sprite. We're going to need one for the blue ball and one for the red ball. In order to do that, we go into new sprite, and if you hover over the little icons next to new sprite, you'll see choose sprite from library. That's not what we want to do. We want to go to the next one that says paint a new sprite. All we need to do in here, we need to select red. You can choose whatever color it is you want. I'm going to choose red, and I'm going to go to the draw ellipse. And I'm going to go into here, and I am going to try to draw a nice red circle. And you'll notice that's not exactly what I wanted. So I am going to click out of there. I'm going to hit clear. I actually want a red circle that's filled in. So I'm going to clear this out. Click on clear. Click on my ellipse again. I'll notice down below I see an outline for a circle and a solid filled circle. Actually, it's an ellipse, but we'll just call it a circle. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to make a solid red circle. And I will just leave it at that. Click outside of it. Then I'm going to change the name to red circle. And enter. I'm also going to go down here and I'm going to add another sprite. And I'm going to do much the same thing this time, except I'm going to choose blue as my color. And I will go into the middle. And I will draw a blue circle. And again, I'm going to name this blue circle. Now when I click out of here, I should have two circles. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drag these around on my screen. You'll notice they're not exactly the same size. That is okay. If I click on these shrink arrows up above, I can come over the blue and I can shrink it. And I'm actually going to make it significantly smaller. And I'm going to do the same thing with the red. Go up to the shrink. I'm going to try to shrink it till it's approximately the same size. So those look pretty good. Those look almost the same size. Close enough. I'm not really going to know much of the difference. Anyhow, that's how you create two new sprites and add them into your game. You might find that useful if you're working on this challenge. Even if you're not working on the challenge, that's how you create a new sprite. Thanks for watching.